Welcome to the SEC Forms feature presentation. In this video, we'll be discussing EDGAR Form C for crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the practice of raising money from a large number of people to fund a project or venture. For the purposes of SEC reporting, crowdfunding specifically involves raising capital through securities offerings. Companies that are eligible to sell securities via crowdfunding must comply with certain disclosure requirements. These disclosures are submitted electronically to the SEC through the EDGAR system using Form C. Form C is an XML EDGAR fillable form that has a number of variant forms that cover different scenarios for filers disclosing information to the SEC. The first variant is Form C, the offering statement. This is for issuers filing the initial disclosures required for an offering to be made in reliance of Section 4, Sub A6 of the Securities Act of 1933. Form C-U is the progress update for issuers filing updates as required by Section 4A, Sub B1H. Form C-AR is the annual report for issuers filing the information required by Section 4A, Sub B4. And Form C-TR is the termination of reporting for issuers who are ending their reporting obligations pursuant to Section 4A, Sub B4. Additionally, there are versions of each form type for amendments, as well as to file a withdrawal for the particular form. Let's move on to creating and filing Form C in GoFiler. Form C in our software can be edited like most XML forms. To begin, you can create a new EDGAR submission or project from the New menu. Here we select the form type by picking it from the list of available EDGAR forms or by typing the name into the form field. Depending on which application you use in the GoFiler suite, you may have to sift through a lot of different forms. If you know what form you need, it's always easiest to start typing the form name. Here's Form C and all of the Form C variants. Select the form type you want and press OK to create it. That will open a new Form C submission in our Form C Edit window. Form C is an XML form, which is a structured data format that uses a markup language to tag discrete data points. Our software renders a simple interface for the form. All you need to do is click on the field and type to enter the data. GoFiler takes care of the underlying tagging. Navigating the form's information. On the left, you can see various sections of the form. Click on the desired section, and the questions and fields for that section will be displayed. Saving and adding files. You can save your filing at any time using the Save function. The first time you save, you can choose the location for the filing. Once a file has been saved, you can add exhibits to the submission as necessary using the Add Files function on the Submission ribbon. Files that are attached to the submission will be listed in the Management view. Double-click on these files to view them in the software. Some types of files can be edited directly within the software. And finally, proofing, validation, and filing. The software can provide a reviewer's proof in PDF or HTML. You can also check each filing for errors using the Validate function. Errors that will cause your filing to be suspended by the EDGAR system will be displayed in the logs. You can correct them prior to filing. When you're ready to file, you can submit test and live filings using the File function. If you have any questions or comments, or would like to receive a demonstration of Form C tools available within the GoFiler product suite, please contact sales by emailing sales@novaworkssoftware.com or support@novaworkssoftware.com, or just simply call 585-424-1700. Thanks for watching.